Okay, today is going to be another video of squash. We got three different kinds: pumpkin, butternut squash, and kushaw squash. Now we're going to roast these in the oven, and then we're going to dehydrate some, and we're going to eat some. And we're going to save the seeds from all of them. So here we go. First of all, you got to wash them all, and then get them ready to cut up and do what you got to do. Got them all washed. Okay. We're going to start off with the littlest ones first, the butternut. We got our Pioneer Woman knife here. I got this for Christmas. Now these are hard to get into if they're cured good enough. So you got to take your time with them. Okay, to peel it, I'm going to do most of it like this with a peeler, if I can get it to work. And then I'm going to roast it in the oven. Okay, now we're going to take the flesh out with a spoon. Now we're going to dehydrate some of this stuff today too, to use in soup and stews. To thicken up, our soup or something, yeah. Okay, it's what it looks like. Now make sure you cut it down where you don't see no more stripes in this part. Because if you still see stripes, that means it's still got a little bit of hole on it. Here's how much ketchup I made, green tomato ketchup. And the reason it's real dark red is because I didn't use no food dyes, and I put tomato paste in to thicken it up. So it turned out this color. But they's all made with green tomatoes or not ripened all tomatoes. Even the red ones wasn't even ripe that I put in it. So they was made with green tomatoes. It's called green tomato ketchup. Hope y'all try that and make some of that. If you want the recipe, comment down below and I'll send it to you. Okay, it's time to move on to the bigger butternut squash. This is how many seeds the little one had. These are all that we've grown, all the kushaw, all the butternut, and the pumpkin we did grow. Hard cut this, ain't it? Okay, we got it cut in two. Now we're going to scrape the seeds out. With a spoon is all you need. In order to save seeds, see how fat they are? That's what you want. You don't want no flat seed. You want it with fat on it. A fat seed, that means it will grow again. I hope this helped you all. I'm not going to bother cutting them up, cutting the skins off. I'm just going to roast them like this. Takes too much time to do all that. And I ain't got all that much time today. I got to get out there and plant the rest of my stuff today. But this is going to be our supper. We're going to dehydrate some, and then we're going to eat this for supper. We're going to roast this, roast that in the oven. Do it faster that way. Or you can put it in your Instant Pot and do it like that. It's even quicker like that. Okay, we're going to get our squash ready for the oven. We're going to spray our pan. We're going to wash these again, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to roast these 30 minutes on that side, then turn them over and roast them another 30 minutes. And then we're going to take them out and scrape them out, and there they're done. Then we're going to add butter, sugar, salt, and pepper. Okay, let's move on to the kushaw. We're going to save the seeds from it too. This is what it looks like inside. Now they sell these at Walmart around October, or you can go to a produce stand and they'll sell you one. But now listen, the last time we bought them, they was $15, and they get higher. So be prepared for that when you want to buy one. And I don't know how much they cost at Walmart. Here's what it looks like inside. Here's what the thing of it looks like. Now we'll be back after we chop all this up and get the seeds out. Okay, this is washed and ready for the oven. Now, listen, this was picked young. And the reason it's not turned like an orange color or whatever, it's not sit out there and cured for over 2 or 3 weeks or months. So this is picked young. It died out there, off the vine, and we picked it. And it's not turned yellow or a bright orange, but we're cooking it anyway. And we're going to see what it tastes like. We've never done one like this, young like this. So we picked it, and we're going to see if we can get something out of it and see what it tastes like. Now we're going to bake it in the oven for 1 hour too. 1 hour at 350. Okay, we got our pumpkin. Now we're going to get the seeds out of it, and then we're going to roast it for an hour. Okay, we got our pumpkins. Now we're going to let them roast in the oven. We're going to turn them upside down. And that's going to be it. We'll see them back in an hour. And thanks for watching. We'll be back in an hour. Okay, we got everything in the kettles and ready to be cooked and then served. I put a teaspoon of honey and 3 tablespoons of butter in each. Butternut squash, kushaw, and pumpkin. Now, most people put brown sugar and cinnamon and butter in all three of these. So give it a try, and we'll see you all in a little bit. Okay, kushaw, butternut squash, and pumpkin. Oh my God, that's good. That butternut squash is real good. The pumpkin's good too. Give me a minute. I'm going to put some monk fruit on mine. Okay, we got our monk fruit. You all, I didn't grow stevia this year. I growed it last year, but I didn't grow it this year. I regret that too. Now let's try it all. Okay, first of all, we're going for the kushaw. Yum. Butternut squash is even better than it was before. Pumpkin's even better. Thanks for watching. See you all later. I hope y'all give these recipes a try. Thank you.